Hello, hello, Group A. So it's Rocio and Mateo and Josias and Jude. So this is your math for Monday. So for your math, today we're going to count. So Miss Sarah gave you a little package like this that has tally marks, and it has beans, and it has this little circle, right? So I want you to take that little packet, and I want you to take those little circles out, okay? Get them all out of the packet, and Sarah's gonna do the same. So I'm gonna take them all out of the packet, and then I want you to put them all together on the table. Then take all of the tally marks and put them all together on the table. And then take all of the beans right here, all the beans, take them out and put them right here. And we are going to count together. So, what I would like for you to do is to look at a couple of those objects. So let's learn a little song together. So you ready? It goes like this. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Did you hear the rhymes? Yeah, that song had rhymes in it. It goes like this. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Very good. So we are going to use this rhyme later for teaching you many things. So we need to just sing it every time we want to do math. So Miss Sarah's going to bring this down so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's see. Let's bring it down to the table so you can see all of my, so I've got the beans over here. Do you see them? And then I've got the tally marks over here. Can you see them? And then I've got all of my little circle. And you have different colors. I have green and white, and you should have 2 colors as well. Okay? So we are going to learn the quantities. What is a quantity? Do you know what a quantity is? A quantity just means how many objects do we have? Okay, how many objects do we have? So Miss Sarah is going to show you an object, okay? And then you're going to tell me, just by looking at it, how many do you see? Okay, so we're going to start with with these. So if I show you this, how many do you see? 1, right? That's so easy. Just 1. Okay. Now, what if I do this? Now, how many do you see? 2? Very good. All right. Good job. You don't really need to count, do you? Right? You just know 2. Like if I show you 2 fingers, you just know it's 2. You don't need to go 1, 2. You don't need to do that. You just know it's 2, right? 2 fingers. Very good. So, very, very good. Now, what if, so show me 2 fingers with your left hand. Can you show me 2 fingers with your left hand? So, where is your left hand? Let's see if you, I'm going to go like this. Okay, so show me your left hand. Okay, this is where my left hand is. So I think from your side, you have to ask your mommy, Mommy, which one is my left hand? Pregúntale a tu mamá cuál es tu mano izquierda. Tu mano de la izquierda, no la derecha, la izquierda. Ok, pregúntale a tu mamá, ¿cuál es mi mano de la izquierda? What is my left hand? That's the hand I want you to show me your numbers with. So, I want you to show me 1 with your left hand, just like this, 1. Good. Now I'm going to show you 2 objects. So, I'm going to put them like this, right beside each other. You see, because those, they kind of build on each other like this. See, now I have. So, how many objects do I have now? So, show 2. That's right, you have 2 objects. You see, show me with your left hand. 2. Excellent, you have 2. Okay, now what if I showed you this? Now, how many objects do you have here? That's right, you have 3. Can you show me 3 with your left hand? This is your left hand. Very good. 3 objects. Did you have to count them? No, because you can see there's 3, right? You don't really need to count them. You don't really need to go 1, 2, 3. You just see it and you know it's 3. Good job. All right, excellent. Now, hold on just a second. Let me put this right here so it's easier for me to look at it. Okay, so now that we know 3 fingers, you see 3 objects, okay, I want you to show me 3 white beans. Can you show me 3 white beans? Now don't count them, just show them to me. Just pick them and show me 3. Did you see how Miss Sarah just picked 3 and brought it over here? I did not need to go 1, 2, 3. I could have done that, and it's okay to do it, but it's so much faster, and I know what 3 looks like, right? So I just pick it all up and bring them all here, and then I know I have 3, right? Okay, very good. So now I want you to put the beans away, and I want you to go ahead and show me 3 tally sticks. Now this is a tally sticks, and you can also call it a popsicle stick, because sometimes we put popsicles and we eat popsicles, and it's so yummy. So show me 3 popsicle sticks or tally marks. Now don't count them, just bring 3. Okay, very good. You know exactly what 3 looks like, don't you? Yeah, immediately you know this is 3. You don't need to count. You don't need to count 1, 2, 3. You know. Good job. Okay, so this is 3. Excellent. Okay, so now what if I do this? How many sticks do I have on the table? That's right. With your left hand, 1. Good. Now, how many sticks do I have on the table? Good, 3. Okay. Now, ready? How many sticks do I have on the table? Aha, tricked you. You thought I was going to put 2, but I didn't. Okay, 1. Good job. With your left hand, 1. Good. Okay, ready? How many do I have? That's right. I have 2. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so now look around the room and name 1 of something. So look around your room and see if you can find something that's just 1. So maybe you have a clock. Maybe you have 1 clock in your house. You can say the clock because there's only 1 of it, right? Okay. Maybe there's only 1 fridge. So you could say 1 fridge. Okay, so you look and you tell your mommy something that's just 1 in the house. Good. Can you do that with 2? All right, I'll let you tell your mommy. Good. Did you see 2 of something? Okay, very good. Maybe you have let's see, what could you have two of? Maybe you have two shakers, a salt and a pepper shaker, right? Salt and pepper, they kind of go together, right? Okay, very good. Okay, now can you see three of something? Maybe you have 3 chairs, or maybe on the table you have 3 cups, right? Can you see 3? You don't need to count them, do you? You just know what 3 looks like, right? That's right. Okay, excellent. Okay, now, how many sticks do I have on the table? That's right, I have 3, right? Very good. What if I remove this? How many do I have now? I remove 1 and I have 2, right? I have 2 left. That's right. What if, now I have 3 again. What if I remove 2? How many do I have left? Yeah, that's right. I have 1, don't I? That's right, I have 1. Excellent job. Now I have 3 again. Look, I have 3 again, right? What if I remove all of them? I don't have any more. And that's 0. 0. So it's just 0 like that. Okay, very good. Excellent, excellent. So now you know about this, about 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Good job. Now, let's see. I have 3, and now I'm gonna add 1 more. So look, now I have 4. That's right. Okay, so if I do this, how many do I have here? Good job, 1. Okay, what if I do this? How many do I have? Good job, I have 2. Okay, now I'm gonna do this. How many do I have? Good, I have 4. Excellent, 4. Well, what if I do this? Now, how many do I have left? 2. Good job. Okay, what if I do this? How many do I have now? 4. Excellent job. What if I do this? Take away 3. I only have 1 left. That is right. Okay, now I'm going to put them back on here. Very good. I'm going to put them back on here. Okay. And I'm going to add 1 more. Now, when I add 1 more to 4, we do it with tally marks like this. It's like making kind of a fence, isn't it? Yeah, it looks kind of like a fence. Well, that's number 5 with tally marks. That's right, that's number 5 with tally marks. So, do you think you can remember all these numbers? 1 through 5? Okay, so if I remove it, how many tally marks do I have? 4, good job. What if I have just this? That's right, it's 2. What if I have just this? That's right, it's 3. What if I do this and take away 2? I have 1, very good. What if I do this? What do I have now? Remember that one is 5 because it's all of our fingers on the hand, right? 5. And 5 is very special. It's got a beginning, then we skip over, it's got a middle, then we skip over, and it's got an end. If I were to put all my tally marks like this, look what it would be. Beginning, you skip a number, middle, you skip a number, and the end. Beginning, skip a number, middle, skip a number, and the end. So this is 5. Very good. Okay, So now that we've done it with tally marks, we're gonna look at it with beans. Let's look at our beans. If I put this over here, how many beans do we have? 2 beans, very good. If I do this, how many beans do we have? 3 beans, right? 3, good job. If I do this, how many beans do we have? 1, good job. If I do this, how many beans do we have? Aha, how many beans do we have? We have 4 beans, you see? 4 beans, good job. How about if I do this? How many beans do we have now? We look well. We have a beginning, we skip 1, we have a middle, we skip 1, and we have an end. Beginning, middle, end. So this is number 5. That is right. So number 5 always has a beginning, a middle, and an end. All right, real fast, let's do it with these. Are you ready? Okay, so we have how many? 1. Very good. Now how many do we have? 2. Excellent. Now how many do we have? Good. 3. Now how many do we have? Now look well. It has a beginning, skip a middle, skip, end. So we have 5. And if I take away, now how many do we have? 4. You see it? 4. You don't need to count. You just recognize what 1 looks like, 2 looks like, 3 looks like, 4 looks like, and 5 looks like. You see? And that way, we can learn to count very, very fast. Okay, beginners, this is all for today. So keep practicing all week. How to see 1 object, how to see 2 objects, how to see 3 objects, how to see 4, and how to see 5 without counting. Just by looking at it, you can tell if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. Ok, esta semana los niños aprenden a reconocer lo que son 1, 2, 3, 4 y 5 objetos sin contar. Solamente al ver pueden decir, oh, hay 2, o hay 3, o hay 5, o hay 4. ¿Ok? Entonces es solamente para ayudarle a reconocer muy rápidamente cuando ven objetos. ¿Ok? All right. Bye bye.